Yo, what is good guys? Welcome back to a brand new video to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to expose exactly how I make hundreds of thousands of dollars from meme coins every single month without trading a single coin. And I'll show you the complete free strategy that I use to do it live on camera from start to finish, all in this video. The truth is that in 2026, the devs are making way more than the traders, and that's exactly how I got filthy rich. It's all by creating meme coins. I am risking nothing, I'm just launching viral coins, and I'll show you exactly how to do it in this video for completely free. I do not sell courses. Let's go! And guys, look at my Phantom wallet. I am not here to take your money or sell you a course. I'm just here to explain exactly how I make my money from deving. So if you want to learn how and you want to start being profitable, well, this video is made specifically for you. Let's go. Now here's exactly what you need to understand about the trenches. Most of these coins that are being created on chain, okay, they usually just pump and then they dump, and that's exactly why most traders are not profitable, because they buy here, even here for example, and then they think that the coin is going to go up, but the dev dumps on everyone and everyone loses a shit ton of money. That's exactly why being the dev is the new wave in 2026. You are going to be the one controlling the entire chart. You are going to be the one creating the coins and making thousands from selling your supply. That's exactly why I personally create coins instead of trading. And guys, in this video I'm going to do a full strategy breakdown on exactly how to find viral narratives and turn them into coins. The first step is to create your coin, the second step is to launch it, and the third step is to actually cash out and sell your supply. Everything will be done and shown in this video because I will be doing a live example for you guys to show you how it's done. Okay, so without further ado, like and subscribe and let's go. And guys, this video is for educational purposes only. I am not at all a financial advisor. I do not condone any financial advice. Cap. Now the first step of my strategy is to know where to launch your coin. Now do not fall in the trap that most beginner devs make, and that is launching coins on Pump.Fun. If you launch coins here, bro, you will realize that you are going to get no progress. Most of these coins that are being launched, they dry out, they get no buyers, no attention, and that's because it's oversaturated. On top of that, Pump.Fun controls your supply, they control your liquidity pool, and they take a cut from your Pump.Fun creator fees. So I have a different strategy to avoid all those problems and to maximize the profits. I launch my coins in the migrate section instead of launching the Pump.Fun. By launching on Raydium or the migration section, your coin is going to get a shit ton of attention, and that attention could potentially lead into buyers and way more volume, and for that reason I launch here. Now to launch on Raydium, do not use Pump.Fun but use Memecoin.io. By using this launchpad, it will make sure that your coin goes to Raydium, reaching thousands of people, and that's why people are keeping this launchpad a secret. And here's exactly how to create your coin on Memecoin.io. You have multiple ways, bro, it's up to you, just play around with it. You could either create a coin from scratch by inventing a name, symbol, image, or you can use their completely free X tracker and you can turn tweets that are coming out every single second from viral and important accounts into meme coins. Okay, this is a good strategy for traders and devs, but my personal favorite, which I will be showing how to do in this video, is the copy trending coins tab right here. It's my favorite strategy. I've made most of my money from vamping coins, which is the same thing as copying coins. Basically every single coin here has a good narrative and it's getting some sort of traction on Pump.Fun. Basically they have a viral narrative and a good community behind these coins, so we will be using these coins to our advantage and make a completely new coin by copying these coins back to Raydium to get a shit ton of buyers on our coin by using these narratives. Let me show you how it's done. Now obviously, bro, first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected, and now you'll be ready to copy a coin. I usually go for something decent. Well, actually no, I just copy a coin randomly, so I'm gonna just go for this one right here, the breadheads coin. Click on copy the Raydium. Your phantom will show up, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm and understand, click on confirm, and the coin will be created. Just wait a second. And bang! If I go in SoulScan for you guys, you don't need to actually go in SoulScan, but it's your choice. Okay, as you guys can see, it's minted, it's legit, the website works. Now let's create the liquidity pool. Now here, this step of the process is where we create our liquidity pool. Like that, your coin can go to Raydium and you will have supply as a dev before everyone else. Like that, you yourself as a dev, you can make money if the coin explodes. Now look, for the amount of coins right here, right, click on 90%. I do that for all my coins usually, right, 900 million tokens. Right under, for the amount of SOL, the pair, put anywhere from 0.3 to 1.2 SOL. In between that range is the perfect amount. Anything over is a bit too much, anything less it's too less, right? So 0.3 is what I'm going to put. And by the way guys, you are not going to lose this. If you want it back, you can, but you need supply for yourself. Like that, you can make money. Click on create pool, and your phantom is going to show up. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm and understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button and then scroll down, and bang, the Crumbs coin is live. Okay, your PNL is going to be right there. By the way, the whole counter, all the metrics are going to be right here. And if you want to see how much you're up at any moment, just re-click on refresh. I know it's annoying, but as you guys can see right here, we're up 190 bucks now. Okay, that is insane. That means people are actually, you know, liking your coin and they are buying in, and that's why we copy coins, right? But yeah, go on your trading platform to see the coin for Memecoins. Let me go on the 1 second time frame, and the coin should be live. Okay, bang, it's already pumping. I'm telling you guys, the Raydium DEX is absolutely amazing. This is exactly why I create coins for a living. Look at this, I'm already up like $800 within like less than 2 minutes. Okay, like bro, look at this. These are all random people buying in, and guys, it's actually insane. Like, the fact that people are buying my coin is insane. It's untapped, and I have no clue why not many people are talking about this on YouTube. I might be the only one, fuck it. But yeah, I might let the coin run. When I come back, I'll show you how to cash out. Alright guys, I am back, and as you guys can see here, we're at a 9k market cap. We're almost at 10. That is insane within like 8 to 7 minutes. Now let's cash out and let's see how much you can make from a coin just like this one. So come back to memecreate.io and then click on refresh to see how much you're up. And as you guys can see here, we're up $2.36 thousand. That is insane. On camera also, that's insane. Okay, it's live, like there's no other YouTubers doing this on camera. Now click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity. Your phantom is going to show up right here. Just ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm and understand, confirm. And bang bro, I just showed you exactly how to create a viral narrative and then cash out. Bang, the proof is here guys. I made 2.36k from this coin, and yes, it is repeatable. You can launch as many coins as you want and build up that portfolio from scratch. Memecreate.io will be linked down below bro. It's literally the best platform. Like and subscribe, and I do not condone any financial advice.